In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA Roleplay on an Apple computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the option of running GTA 5 and FiveM or Roleplay in your Mac computer. So first, I want to make something very clear. If we go over to the FiveM website, you will notice that under the system requirements, they only list Windows, either Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is because, as of today, FiveM is not natively supported on a Mac. So if you have an Apple computer, you will have to take additional steps. It is still possible for you to download GTA and access FiveM and Roleplay, but this is going to be a lot of steps that you have to go over. First, you will actually have to install Windows on your Apple computer. This is something that is actually possible on a variety of Macs. So as you can see on the MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, MacBook Mini, and then iMac, Mac Pro, and Mac Pro. Now, I'm not going to go over the whole process in this video. This is something that you should look for on your own, and it is going to differ depending on the chip that you have on your Mac. With Boot Camp, you can install Microsoft Windows 10 on your Intel-based Mac. So if you don't have an Intel-based Mac, this isn't going to work, and you will have to look into alternatives. But if you visit this website, you will be able to install Windows, and you can choose between booting into macOS or Windows when restarting your Mac, so you won't lose access to Mac. In here, they are going to go over the process, but essentially, you just have to download the tool available here and then create an ISO image for Windows, and then use the Boot Camp installer that you can find here. So once you get the Boot Camp installer and you use it to install Windows on your Mac, you just have to download the FiveM client. So make sure that you read and agree with the terms here, and then you will download the executable file. You simply have to run this executable file on the Windows installation inside of your Mac, and you will be able to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA RP on Apple computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.